Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you're going to see how to use Instagram filters on Android. So let's head over to our Instagram application to see that. Once you are there, just make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just head over to your to the plus icon, and in here just click on the camera. And here you will find several options. If you can't find the story section, just or effects section, then just head over to any chat's camera. And here you will find the option of effects. Just tap on effects or filters. Here you can search for any filter like frames. So once you search for them, you can find different types of frames you can use. So yeah, this is how you can just do that. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.